Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. As you can see, I'm going a little tropical, Hawaiian, a little festive today. Yes. All right, last night I prepared the apricot glazed pork tenderloin, the potatoes lyonnaise, and the garlic butter mushrooms. Yum. Everything was great. I don't particularly care for the method on the pork tenderloin. It still tasted wonderful. Not the prettiest outcome that I would expect, but give the recipe a try. All three recipes are posted up. Enjoy them. So tonight, I'm doing a stir fry for the first time in several weeks. Today is going to be beef and sugar snap pea stir fry. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. There's the wok. Yes, it's wok day. All right, we've got some steak, some beef stock, oyster sauce, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, baking soda, the snap peas. I'm going to actually add a little bit of onion to this. There's some brown sugar in this, and it's going to be served over rice. So that's what I have going on today. And I wanted to share something new that's going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Actually, it premiered yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go look for it. And that is, I'm going to start doing, I'm calling them daily tips, but I'm not doing them daily. I'm trying to keep them under a minute, but it's just quick tips for everybody in the kitchen and cooking. So kind of keep your eye out for them. So with that, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.